Looking for cheap classic cars with real conditions? Here are 10 budget classics, some clean, some projects, all honest. Car 1, 1976 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $8,000, Martinsburg, West Virginia. This 1976 Chevrolet Camaro has been heavily modified with a built 383 stroker engine paired with an automatic TH350 transmission. The seller describes it as a drag-oriented build with performance upgrades like a big cam and Holley carb setup. It runs and drives, and the body is said to be in good condition with a clean title. However, this is not a stock vehicle and is clearly built for performance rather than comfort or originality. Overall, this is a strong-running modified car suited for enthusiasts looking for a street/strip style build. Car 2, 1976 Corvette Stingray Convertible 2D, $6,000, Coatesville, Indiana. This 1976 Corvette Stingray has been sitting for over 5 years, but recently started with fresh fuel. The body and frame are described as being in great shape, which is a strong point for a car of this age. However, the car is not currently drivable and will need to be trailered. Interior condition is rough, and there are some structural concerns like floorboard repairs needed. Overall, this is a non-running project with a solid base but clear work required before it can be road-ready. Car 3, 1994 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This 1994 Mazda Miata comes with a 1.8-liter engine and manual transmission, showing around 180,000 miles. The seller states that it runs and drives well and is used regularly, suggesting dependable mechanical condition. There are typical age-related issues including minor rust, worn soft top condition, and small electrical quirks. Despite that, the paint is still presentable and overall condition is decent. Overall, this is a usable daily-style Miata with some cosmetic and minor repair needs. Car 4, 1973 Buick Century Custom Coupe 2D, $5,900, East Bend, North Carolina. This 1973 Buick Century has around 63,000 miles and is powered by a factory 350 V8 with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that it runs and drives great and has received several new parts over the past year. It also features power steering and brakes, along with factory AC, which is currently not working. The car appears to be well documented with mileage records. Overall, this is a solid and mostly original driver with minor functional issues. Car 5, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, $6,500, Smithville, Virginia. This 1973 Chevrolet Corvette is an unfinished project equipped with a 445 big block engine. While the engine has been refreshed and is installed, the car currently does not run. The sale includes additional parts, but detailed information is limited. With a clean title and major components in place, it offers a strong starting point. Overall, this is a project car with performance potential but requires significant work to be completed. Car 6, a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta Coupe 2D, $6,000, Summerville, Alabama. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta is powered by a 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller notes that both the engine and transmission were replaced and rebuilt a few years ago, with relatively low miles since. The car runs and drives well, with working heat and newer wheels and tires. However, there is visible rust in common areas, including the floor pan, although it is still described as structurally sound. Overall, this is a usable driver with cosmetic and rust-related concerns. Car 7, a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, $8,000, Washington, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Chevrolet Corvette is described as a mostly original survivor with around 77,000 miles. It starts easily, idles smoothly, and is said to drive without issues, making it a ready-to-use classic. Recent maintenance includes ignition components and intake-related work. The frame and structure are noted to be clean, which is a strong point. The only issue mentioned is a non-working tachometer. Overall, this is a solid and mostly original cruiser with minor faults. Car 8, 1965 Ford Fairlane, $7,900, Woodleaf, North Carolina. This 1965 Ford Fairlane is listed with extremely high mileage, though that figure is likely not accurate given the age of the car. It comes with an automatic transmission and is described as a running vehicle that starts, moves, and stops. The seller notes that it is not fully road-ready and recommends bringing a trailer, which suggests underlying issues or incomplete readiness for daily driving. There are no major problems detailed, but the lack of specifics leaves some uncertainty. Overall, this is a basic running project with limited information and unknown overall condition. Car 9, 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, $2,500, Hornell, New York. This 1966 Chevrolet Caprice is described as a project car with a good body and a running engine. However, it currently needs a starter, which prevents it from being easily driven. Another key concern is the lack of standard paperwork, although the seller mentions a process to obtain ownership documents. This adds an extra step for potential buyers. Overall, this is a low-cost project with both mechanical and administrative challenges. Car 10, 1977 AMC Pacer, $5,300, Massillon, Ohio. This 1977 AMC Pacer is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It runs well and is actively driven to car shows, indicating it is functional in its current state. The car has a strong patina look, but does need floor repairs on the driver's side. Aside from that, it appears complete and usable. Overall, this is a quirky and drivable classic with some structural work still needed. That's it for today's list of affordable classic cars. From running drivers to unfinished projects, each one shows its real condition. If you enjoy honest car content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.